In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up support and resistance lines in Thinkorswim. Start by opening the Thinkorswim desktop platform. Once it's up, head straight to the Charts tab. In the symbol field, load the ticker you want to analyze so you're looking at the exact chart you plan to work with. Take a moment to scan the price action and mentally note the areas where price has repeatedly stalled, bounced, or reversed. Those are the zones you'll often mark as support or resistance. To place a classic horizontal level, move your cursor to the area on the chart where you want that line, then right-click directly on the chart. From the menu, choose Add a Drawing and select Price Level. This drops a horizontal line at the price you clicked, giving you a clean reference for a floor or ceiling the market has respected. Horizontal lines are ideal for those obvious levels where price has turned multiple times. If you want to outline a sloping level, perhaps a rising support or a descending resistance, use a trend line. From the Drawings list, choose Trend Line. Now click once at a clear high or low, drag to the next relevant swing point, and release. That draws a line that connects the 2 points, helping you visualize directional support or resistance as the market moves over time. After placing any line, fine-tune its look so your chart stays readable. Right-click the line and choose Edit Properties. In this panel, you can change the color to differentiate support from resistance. Select the line style, solid for primary levels or dotted for minor ones, and adjust the line thickness so your most important areas stand out. You can also control whether the price label appears on the line. Turning on the price label is especially helpful because it displays the exact level right on the chart, which makes setting alerts or planning entries and exits more precise. As you build out your levels, aim for clarity and consistency. Keep colors and styles uniform across charts so you instantly recognize what's major versus minor. Place lines at clear swing highs and lows rather than forcing them into noisy areas. And remember that fewer, well-chosen lines are often more informative than a crowded screen. That's it. Open the platform, go to the Charts tab, load your symbol, right-click to add a price level for horizontal zones, choose Trend Line for sloping levels, click Drag Release to draw, and right-click to edit properties for color, style, thickness, and price labels. With these tools, your support and resistance mapping in Thinkorswim will be clean, consistent, and actionable.